What up, Blockchain Nation? What up, YouTube? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get weekly notifications whenever I release videos. And for those who watch consistently, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you. You are far too kind. Is it time? Has the time come for mass adoption of cryptocurrencies? Already, I did a video some time back about how FAANG companies are going blockchain. FAANG is an acronym for Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, and the likes big tech companies, basically. Yeah, all of them are going blockchain crazy. They are really entering in this space. So I personally think, in my opinion, that mass adoption is here. It's like when a new thing comes, you expect it to just all of a sudden, hey, everybody's using Bitcoin. It will just gradually phase into that season where every single company is doing some kind of cryptocurrency product. Every single company is kind of providing financial services. When I mean every single company, I mean every major company. Anyway, so let's take a look at some of those big players and how they are getting involved in the blockchain space and what the implication might be. So first is our good friends from PayPal. So if you look at this report from CoinDesk, it says PayPal and Venmo are rolling out crypto buying and selling sources. This is kind of old. This is of June 2020. I don't know what time or day or when you're going to be watching this. This might be old news already, but here's my point. Fintech giant PayPal plans to roll out direct sales of cryptocurrency to its 325 million users, which is just absolutely insane. So if a company like PayPal, as most of you know, allows you to make payments online. It's like a bridge between your bank account and whatever merchant you're doing, you're buying stuff from, whether it's Amazon or whatever it is, you know the drill. And yeah, and so they've been in the financial services space for a while. But now PayPal is going crypto, which is insane. Well, PayPal declined to comment on their plans, but honestly, it's crazy because if you notice this, I read where, let's look at this. Meanwhile, fintech app, I saw something about Cash App, $306 million in Bitcoin revenue. There is no way other companies are going to fold their arms and just watch while they get all this revenue. Even Robinhood is a financial app. You can actually, they offer crypto products on Robinhood. So it only makes sense for PayPal and Venmo to join the bandwagon. If they don't, I don't even know what that means. There is no way they're going to miss out on this because already they are a payment network. Bitcoin is a payment network. And at the same time, Bitcoin is a form of currency or cash, whatever you want to call it. So imagine PayPal already has that infrastructure. They're already a payment network. They have over millions and millions of users and customers. And I don't think they're going to give up on this. I don't think they would not want to get involved in all that's going on. So we have PayPal, we have Venmo, and we already have other players as well, which is just insane. So yeah, I mean, I see this coming to pass. I don't see why they would just fold their arms and just say we're not going to get involved when everybody else is getting involved. So I'm excited about what this means and what this translates to, but there's absolutely no way they're going to have some kind of product. I will even dare to say they might even come up with their own blockchain or cryptocurrency. Who knows? I think they might go in that direction. That's just my personal opinion. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, I'll tell you I'm wrong. But now I think that's the direction they will go, but who knows? Anyways, so PayPal is one. PayPal and Venmo. PayPal and Venmo, they both do the same thing. They provide financial services, and they are a payment network. And I don't see why they won't get involved. I think they will. So I think I've beaten this up long enough, but I honestly think they will. But let's look at somebody else. I talked about this in a previous video. I'll put a link below where I talked about Visa and MasterCard. So here's one interesting paper I was reading. So Visa has filed for a cryptocurrency system patent that is meant to replace physical currency. Now this is insane. Pretty much most payments that are done in the United States are done by either Visa or MasterCard. They are that middle bridge. So if you look at your credit card, your debit card, you see where it says Visa on it. So now imagine Visa is a payment network and they allow you to make payments. But the form of currency they use is United States dollar. So I imagine the implications of Visa filing its own patent to have its own cryptocurrency. The question is, why would they need to make payments against the US dollar? I mean, they could to fulfill all righteousness, but as they begin to offer those services and say, yeah, we can make payments for you with United States dollar, or we can also make payments with our own digital currency. And why this is so powerful is because already Visa is integrating with other Bitcoin platforms. For instance, BitPay. BitPay allows you to make payments, or it's pretty much a merchant where you can make payments on Amazon, Delta, DoorDash, Google, So BitPay allows you to make payments and buy stuff through all these companies and provide the services, but the network that BitPay uses is still Visa. You can have a card, a BitPay card that is backed by, well, it used to be by Visa, and in all these countries, this is insane. So already Visa was providing these services for BitPay, where you could, the payment network, the payments were aggregated to Visa, and they were allowing other crypto merchants to come on board to say, hey, if you want to make payments, we can provide the services for you, whether you're using Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. And now they are going ahead to even take it a step further by saying we're going to create our own payment network. It's finding a fiat-linked cryptocurrency system using a private, permissioned, distributed ledger platform. It describes the central computer, its responsibilities and queries of the system. A central entity may be a central bank which regulates a monetary supply. The document details. Validates entities are blockchain nodes which may be peers such as banks. I mean, this is, I don't even see how this is different between what Facebook is doing, or Facebook will try to do with Libra. Now everybody's just coming on board. You can't patent something you didn't invent or that isn't new. So Visa's patent application has to be so now that even if it issues, it won't be much use, even if it was impossible. Finance instruments will be able to use quite a lot. So anyways, I'm bambling. Here's my point. I mean, this is just insane. Imagine this coming through. Imagine Visa having its own blockchain. Imagine Visa having its own cryptocurrency that they can offer the United States. They can offer payments for. They can help. They will be the bridge or the payment network so that you can do payments on Amazon or your shopping site, whatever it is whatever it is you're buying, and the currency that they are transacting with will be the United States dollar. Now imagine Visa coming up with their own cryptocurrency. I don't even know what the implications will be for the dollar. This is just going to be exciting to watch. And MasterCard is doing something similar. MasterCard investing in deals. MasterCard accelerates crypto card partner program, making it easier for consumers to hold and activate cryptocurrencies. Man, this is insane. MasterCard is getting involved. So that's where I was going. So here's MasterCard. So BitPay used to be powered by Visa. Now it's MasterCard. That's interesting. So MasterCard are the guys that are taking over with BitPay. I have to research that. But that's just insane. We've got PayPal, we've got Venmo, we've got Visa, we've got all these payment networks are allowing you to make payments through cryptocurrencies. There's nothing stopping them from coming up with their own crypto, in my personal opinion. I think financial services is just going to become something that anybody can do. I don't know. It's just going to be crazy how this plays out. I'm just excited to see. So we got PayPal, we got Venmo, we got Visa, MasterCard. Who do we have next? Grayscale. This is really cool. Grayscale is a major investment company, and now they are just going bullish on cryptocurrency. You gotta watch this video.
Before money, people traded goods, tools, cattle, grain, even shells represented value. Then currency came along. They made it out of copper, gold, silver, wampum. Soon people decided to put all that value into a piece of paper, then proceeded to wave goodbye to value, printing unlimited amounts of money as they passed the buck to the future. That's why it's time for digital currency and your investment in the Grayscale funds. Go digital. Go Grayscale.
Isn't that just exciting? Grayscale is bullish on crypto and they are not even apologetic about it. A trusted authority on digital currency investing, Grayscale provides secure access and diversified exposure to digital currency assets. It's madness. I mean, they have done so well in their portfolio this year. I saw it somewhere, gosh, I think I'll put a link below, on how these guys are just making a killing this year on their cryptocurrency assets. It's insane. It's insane. And they're just bullish. And even major company like Grayscale coming bullish on crypto, then I don't know what we are, rest of us, waiting for. It's crazy. Another one is MicroStrategy. Now, MicroStrategy is a business that is a company that's actually on NASDAQ, on the stock exchange, and that's its code. The largest independent publicly traded business intelligence company today announced that it has purchased 21,000 bitcoins and an aggregate purchase price of $250 million. If a publicly traded company can say, I mean, they're on the, I don't know, and here they are, huge. This is a huge portfolio. I don't know about you. I don't have $250 million sitting down somewhere. I wish I did. But this is huge. Like a publicly traded company will invest this amount of money in Bitcoin. That is insane. That is insane. So mass adoption is here already. it's just going to be like we're going to wake up one day and everything is going to be some kind of crypto project. Who knows? I worry about what will happen to other fiat currencies of the world. I mean, I don't make the rules. Stuff happens, you know. And let's just say this plays out like everybody says, or the maximists say, and the United States dollar and other currencies become tissue paper. Everyone is going to go crypto. That's weird. That's crazy, and that's exciting. Lastly, another news. I saw this recently. Nigeria's exchange rate crisis pushes demand for Bitcoin upward. Nigeria's exchange rate crisis is pushing away business owners towards Bitcoin as a preferred means of buying goods and services from manufacturers around the country. Yeah, it's crazy because in a country like Nigeria that's very, very dependent on crude oil because we are a major crude oil exporter, and there's a lot of volatility going on in the market, especially with the United States dollar, and so for that reason the value of the dollar to the naira, which is Nigerian currency, fluctuates rapidly. And so if I'm somebody who I'm a trader, I'm a business owner, I want to buy goods overseas and sell here and sell in Nigeria and buy from the US or buy from anywhere around the world. Imagine if you buy something in the morning, it's $100 this month, and because of the exchange rate, what used to be $100, not because the price of the good or the product has gone up, but because your currency is fluctuating, it's $300 tomorrow. That's not good for your business. So that's why a lot of people are leaning towards Bitcoin, which is just sexy and at the same time exciting. It's exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, I really think that mass adoption is here. I think so. If all these companies can be getting involved, I don't know what's going to happen. It's just going to be crazy. Are all of them going to offer crypto projects, crypto payments, or they're already offering crypto payments, the ability to buy and sell cryptocurrencies through their platform, and at the same time, they might decide to create what's stopping PayPal from coming up with PayPal coin? What's stopping Mastercard from coming up with Mastercard coin? Whatever happens, all this is just good for crypto. It's crazy. I still think that Bitcoin is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world. I still think that products like Ethereum, platforms like Ethereum and a whole lot of other platforms, whether it's DeFi or whatever, are great platforms, but it's just an exciting time to get involved with cryptocurrency. So it's exciting. Read this book. I have a video that I did, what I talked about. So I said my top books in finance, and I have another book. Another video. I talk about top books in cryptocurrency. Well, this ranked up there somewhere, and it's called Collusion. It's by Nomi Prince. Hope you can see it. It's a great book. You need to get it. How central banks rigged the world. Yeah. Anyways, that's all I got. Exciting stuff. So next time, ladies and gentlemen, my wish for you is that you learn more about cryptocurrencies, because crypto is changing and will change the world. And those who get involved early, in my personal opinion, will greatly impact the future. And if that is you, let's go change the world.